Hey everyone, welcome to Code Harmony. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem ID 769. Maximum chunks to make sorted. This question has been asked in Google and Microsoft. And one tip from my side before your Google interview would be that whenever you are getting a problem statement from the interviewer, just try to read that problem statement thoroughly. Sometimes the Google interview statements are text heavy or lengthy or complex to understand. But when you read them with some patience and extract out the exact problem statement, that might be easy. But in the first phase of your interview, when you are understanding the problem statement, don't try to relate it to any of the previously solved question, and spend enough time to understand the problem statement, maybe at least 5 minutes. And this is the similar kind of problem. This is marked as medium, but it will look easy once you understand the problem statement. So let's have a look. Here we are given an integer array ARR of length n that represent the permutation of integers in the range 0 to n minus 1. Okay, the array size is n and the number in that array are from 0 to n minus 1, similar to the indices of the elements. Okay, and what they are saying is that we split array into some number of chunks and individually sort each chunks. After concatenating them, the result should be equal to the sorted array. Okay, we are given an array of n size, elements are from 0 to n minus 1, and we have to divide that array into some chunks, such that if we sort individual chunks, we are getting the sorted array. And we have to return the largest number of chunks we can make to sort the array. Okay, just we have to slice the array as much as possible. Okay, let's try to understand the problem statement in a better way. Here we are given array of size n and the values in that array are from 0 to n minus 1. Let's say this is the array of size 4. So values in this array will be 0, 1, 2, 3 from 0 to n minus 1. And what about the indices? Indices are also from 0 to n minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it means whatever is the value of indices, we are going to have the same value in that array. Okay, and they are saying that we have to slice or make chunks of this array. It means we are dividing this array into couple of sub-arrays, such that if we sort that sub-array individually, after that the complete array will be sorted. Let's say the array is something like this: 3, 2, 0, 1. Now in this way there is only one chunk. Let me call this 1, 0, 3, 2. If I slice this array from here, this is one sub-array, this is second sub-array. If I sort this sub-array, it will be 0, 1. If I sort this sub-array, 2, 3. Ultimately it is sorted. Now let me ask you one question. Array is of size n and the elements in that array are from 0 to n minus 1. So ultimately, if it is a sorted form, so what are the possible outcomes? What are the possible states of this array, this final one, which is having all the elements sorted? There is only one possibility if all the elements are sorted. Let's say the array is of size n, size 4. The elements would be from 0 to 3 and final state of the array would be 0, 1, 2, 3. There is no other possibility than this. Okay, so for array of size 4, my state is 0, 1, 2, 3. And if you have a look on the indices are also 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? So from this, just try to get some idea. Ultimately, we are dividing array into some chunks and every chunk is sorted. Let me take some example for you. I am taking 2, 1, 0, 3. Now in this array, you have to make chunks or sub-arrays such that if each sub-array is sorted, the whole array would be sorted. So if you try to have a look, I cannot slice from here. From here, the 2 is coming here. So 2 won't make it sorted. I cannot slice from here. 2 and 1. If I sort 2, 1, 0 should be in the starting. So this is also not working. And if I slice it from here, the sorted form would be 0, 1, 2. And this is the valid slice. And in this case, when we are slicing the array, all the elements, all the possible elements on the left side should present there. Or in short, you can say the maximum element is 2. The maximum element should be matching with the index 0, 1, 2, 3. Because for every array 2, 1, 0, 3, the indices are 0, 1, 2, 3. Till in this slice, maximum element is 2 and this is 0. And also this sorting is not possible. For this slice, it is 2, 1 as the number of elements and indices are 0, 1. So ideally it should have 0, 1 in the sorted form. Because sorted form will definitely be 0, 1, 2, 3. Similar to these indices. If those are similar to these indices, just try to see that the maximum element is matching with the current index. Okay, the maximum element should match with the current index. Only in that case we can get some result. Now if I try to slice from here, element should be 0, 1, 2 in the final state. And here maximum element is 2. So we can say that maximum element is 2. We will be able to sort it. If I sort this chunk, it will be 0, 1, 2. And let's say after this, we are not concerning about the first chunk. We will have a look on the second chunk. If I slice it from here, this will be sorted. We already know it will be 0, 1, 2. And this will also be sorted. And if we have a look on the indices are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at this position, the maximum element is 2 and it is matching with the index. And in this case, we are just making a slice. And now it is 4. Maximum element so far is 4. Index is 3. And here in this case, maximum element encountered so far is 4. And index is 4. So we can slice it here. So there are only 2 chunks. So what I will be doing is, I will be iterating over this array and I will keep track of the maximum so far from this array. Maximum so far from this array. If the maximum so far at any ith index is equal to I, it means you can make a slice here. If you are not able to understand, just do it on a couple of examples. Let's say we do here. Here indices are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What I am doing is that I am capturing a variable maximum so far. Maximum so far on this index 0 is 4 and I is 0. Now at this position, maximum so far is 4, index is 1. Now at this, maximum so far is 2, index is 2. At this, maximum so far was 2 in the previous state as well. 4, 4, and in this case index is 3. And here maximum so far is 4 and index is 4. Now at this position, index and maximum so far are becoming equal. So we can make a slice here. So the answer would be 1. That we can only have one chunk. I will be returning 1 from this array. Now have a look on this example as well. So in this example, indices are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are looking for this example. Now I require 2 variables, maximum so far and my index. Index is 0 initially, maximum so far is 1. They are not matching, we cannot slice here. This won't be able to make the array sorted. Let's move further. This is not working. At this position, index is 1 and maximum so far is 1. They are matching, so I can make one slice here. And on the next position, index is 2 and the maximum so far is 2. Okay, they are also matching. Just make one more slice. On the next position, index is 3 and maximum so far is 3. Make one more slice. And further, index is 4 in the last and maximum so far is also 4. Now you will make one more slice. So in total, how many chunks you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chunks we are having in this case. So we will be returning integer 4. So this much we have to do. So you are given an array ARR, and you have to make the chunks sorted, and you already know that the sorted form of any array where elements are from 0 to n-1 is 0 to n-1 matching with the indices 0, 1, 2, 3, n-1. So whenever the value is matching with the index, it means as it is already sorted, we have covered all the values till that element. So at 3, if I am having 3, it means this chunk can be sorted. Or note this value, I am capturing the maximum value so far. Why maximum value so far? Because I don't have to actually sort it. I just want to know maximum so far because the last element is the maximum value. So how can we solve it? We are just doing one iteration over the array. For I equal to 0 to n-1. And I will keep track of the maximum so far element. Let's say maximum so far initially is -1 because in the constraints it is given that all the elements are positive. So now I will capture maximum so far. Maximum so far is maximum so far, comma, array of I, current value. So now this is my maximum so far, and if maximum so far is becoming equal to the current index, it means my number of chunks will be increased. Chunk plus plus. Chunk is 0 initially. Yeah, this is the whole algorithm. Yeah, then the question is done. What is the time and space complexity? Time complexity is order of n, and space complexity is order of 1. Here first of all I need a variable maximum, or you can say maximum so far. Let's initialize it with -1. And apart from this, I also need my chunks initially. Let's say it is 0, and I just have to iterate over this array. Int I equal to 0, I less than ARR dot length I plus plus. Update my maximum so far is equal to math dot maximum so far and array of I. If at any moment maximum so far is becoming equal to I, it means that that portion is sorted. We can slice from that. So chunks plus plus, and in the end we just have to return chunks. Let's try over sample test cases. On sample test case it is working fine, submitting the problem. It got submitted successfully and 100% faster. Okay, hope you understood the problem, and let me know what approach you followed to solve this question in the comment section. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.